For over 2 decades, the Holland Grill company has offered home grilling enthusiasts and professional caterers alike the highest quality outdoor cooking products that money can buy. Holland's tradition of smart and simple design, combined with their commitment to craftsmanship and long-lasting durability, make these grills the obvious choice for anyone with frequent grilling habits. Each Holland grill comes factory standard with an LP gas flow orifice, but are field convertible to operate with natural gas. Conversion to natural gas is simple and can be performed completely from the front panel of the grill. Before beginning, it is important to note that black metal Holland grills require different orifice sizes than stainless steel models. Incorrect orifice size may present explosion or fire hazards. Consult the product literature for your grill to ensure that you are using the correct orifice size before proceeding. To replace the orifice, first remove the set screw and the gas regulator knob using an Allen wrench. Remove the gas knob and igniter knob. Remove the 4 screws from the corners of the control panel. Lift the control panel away from the grill body, removing the wire from the igniter mechanism. Next, disconnect the gas hose from the gas valve assembly. A pipe wrench and pliers may be needed to help loosen the nut. Once the gas hose is disconnected, use a pair of pliers to loosen the gas valve. Unscrew and remove the gas valve. Using a pair of pliers, loosen the orifice at the back of the valve. Unscrew the orifice by hand and replace with a new orifice. Tighten thoroughly with pliers. Once the orifice has been exchanged, replace the gas valve and tighten carefully using the nut at the base of the valve, ensuring that the body of the valve is leveled vertically, pointing up. Replace the gas hose and tighten with pliers. Plug the igniter wire back into the igniter unit and fit the control panel back over the gas knob. Secure the panel with the 4 corner screws. Replace the igniter knob. Fasten the gas knob back in place using the set screw, and your grill is ready to cook with natural gas. Before using your grill again, be sure to test thoroughly for any potential leaks. If you are unsure of how to perform these tests, or have any questions regarding the safety of your grill, contact a local Holland professional to verify that your grill is safe for use.